Hi, my name is Dan Hogan. I'm Senior Vice President of M&A for Wealth Enhancement Group. Wealth Enhancement Group is a national independent wealth management firm that provides financial planning and investment management services to our clients. So if I were to explain my role in 2 sentences, I would say 1, my job is to make sure deals are moving through our pipeline from LOI through post-close. 2nd, my job is to ensure that we have the right tools, technology, and people and process in place to support our pipeline. Prior to DealRoom, we were managing our M&A process through various Excel trackers, Excel checklists, PowerPoint reports, unintegrated data rooms, so a lot of manual, unintegrated tools. We started looking for a platform like DealRoom mainly because we were starting to do more and more acquisitions and they were becoming more complex and comprehensive. And so having all of these manual tools and unintegrated templates really made it harder for us to move fast and execute on a more accelerated timeline. We started to look for a tool that integrated everything from pipeline management through data room and integration planning all in one system. One example of where our old process slowed down a deal or caused frustration is obviously we had a lot of manual diligence trackers, and so not everyone was working off the latest information, and so it really slowed down decision making and how we could get to either a purchase agreement signing or a close. One of the biggest benefits that we've seen with DealRoom is that all of our employees at Wealth Enhancement that work on a deal can have access to the information they need to do their part of the job with the deal. Before, we were spending a lot of time with manual trackers or exporting information for certain subsets of our group, but with DealRoom, we can have any user or all users have access to the information on the deal that they need. I would say in terms of our strategy and process, DealRoom's really enabled our strategy and accelerated our process so that we can do more deals, move quicker, meet the sellers where they're at, and make sure everyone that's involved on the internal side has the information they need to do their jobs. One example of how DealRoom streamlined a recent deal is we had a larger deal where we had to surge both internal and external resources to work on diligence, and the flexibility that DealRoom offers to bring in new users, whether they're within the company or an external consultant, allowed us to get all the resources on board and get through the diligence process much quicker. I'd say the most valuable feature of DealRoom to me, as I lead the M&A integration function, is to see everything in one place. I can see where deals are at in our pipeline, I can see what diligence findings are open, I can see where the integration planning is at, all in one place. When I pitched the business case for DealRoom, 3 years ago, it really wasn't hard. Our firm has always been technology forward and understands that you need technology to enable your business process. And so showing time saved, easier access to information, doing more deals quicker, it was pretty easy to make that business case. One word to describe DealRoom is partner.